This is a video that talk about the Tangshan earthquake. In this video, I'll basically talk about the geological background of Tangshan city and what happened for the Tangshan earthquake and the impact of Tangshan earthquake. First is the geologic background of the Tangshan earthquake. First, Tangshan city is landing one of the most stable land in the world, the North China Craton. It's one of the most completely land in the world. It basically covers most north part of the China. Many ancient evidence were found at here. The next thing is that Tangshan is a typical industrial city at that time, which means at that time there's a bunch of factories and workers or employees stay in that city, which in another word is that there's a considerable number of people in the city when the earthquake is happening. The third thing is the Tangshan city is near to the Bohai Sea, which is directly connected to the Pacific Ocean. For some earthquakes, they will cause tsunami because of the wave. However, since Tangshan is a city near to the ocean, it may cause a tsunami. However, because the earthquake is happening right under the Tangshan city center, it doesn't create any tsunami. You can see it through the map. Before we talk about Tangshan earthquake, I'm going to talk about the sign of Tangshan earthquake. Actually, before the Tangshan earthquake, there's another huge earthquake which called the Haicheng earthquake that happened in 1975. It is happened to a city. Haicheng is a city which is really near to Tangshan. We can see it through the map at the right side. It has an overall magnitude of 7.5. However, nobody dies in this earthquake. Only a few injured, because it's one of the first earthquake that successfully be predicted by the geologists. Now we are going to talk about the Tangshan earthquake. It happened on the July 28th, 1976 at 3:42 a.m. As we can see at that time, people are all sleeping at that time. So that's why this earthquake caused such a huge human damage. And the overall magnitude of the Tangshan earthquake is about 7.6. Now we are going to talk about the impact of the Tangshan earthquake. Officially, there's about 250,000 people died in this earthquake. However, this data only shows the local Tangshan people. How many local Tangshan people died? As I said before, it's an industrial city. A bunch of workers and employees come and work at this city. So those people are not counted in this data. But according to the DPI, which is official organization in American, the total amount of Tangshan earthquake should be around 650,000 people. And in this earthquake, more than half of the facility are damaged or destroyed. And if that data is not that let you pay enough attention, we can say in another ways. It is a ninth in the top 10 deadliest natural disaster in human history, and it is the fourth in the top 10 deadliest natural disaster since 1900. And here is the source for this video. Thanks for your listening and watching.